In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove drawings and indicators in Tradingview. Whether you're new to Tradingview or just need a refresher, understanding how to manage drawings and indicators is essential for keeping your charts clean and focused. First, let's get started by navigating to Tradingview. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.tradingview.com. If you haven't already, you should sign in to your account to gain access to all the features that Tradingview offers. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the platform's homepage, where you will notice a variety of financial tools and insights available. Next, locate the Supercharts option. You can usually find this on the main menu or dashboard. Clicking on Supercharts will take you into a powerful charting tool where you can track stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more with real-time data. This is the canvas where you can draw and apply various indicators to make informed trading decisions. It's also where you'll get the most use out of Tradingview's vast functionality. Once you're on the Supercharts interface, go ahead and draw or place any indicators on the chart. Whether you're adding trend lines, support and resistance levels, or using technical indicators like moving averages, this step allows you to experience the tools you might need to eventually remove. These drawings and indicators are integral to chart analysis, providing you with visual insights into market trends and potential price movements. Now, let's say you need to declutter your chart or start over with cleaner data. To remove any drawings or indicators, navigate to the Remove options. These are typically located in a drop-down menu or toolbar within the chart interface. Hover over the menu until you see options related to managing drawings and indicators. Here, you'll be able to select specific items that you want to remove. This might include individual lines, shapes, or parameters tied to indicators. After you've selected all the drawings and indicators you desire to remove, it's time for confirmation. Look for an option like Yes, remove them to finalize the deletion. Clicking this will ensure that your chart returns to a pristine state, allowing you to apply fresh analysis without old data distracting your view. This can be particularly helpful during moments when market conditions change and you need a clear presentation of the most current trends. And there you have it, a simple yet effective walkthrough on how to manage and clean up your Tradingview workspace. Remember, keeping your charts simple and uncluttered not only enhances focus, but also optimizes decision-making during trades. With this newfound clarity, you're all set to make the most out of your trading insights. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.